Number 3 is AnkerMake M5 3D printer. Hey there, fellow LEGO enthusiast! Let me introduce you to a game changer in 3D printing, the AnkerMake M5 3D printer. This beauty is like a superhero for your engineering dreams, combining speed, precision, and error detection. Imagine doubling your printing speed and acceleration without compromising the quality of your prints. Thanks to the Power Boost 2.0, the M5 achieves a smooth power output that boosts speed by a whopping 30% compared to its predecessor. That means you can bring your LEGO creations to life at lightning-fast speeds. When it comes to detail, the M5 is fine. With its ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure, this printer delivers precise 0.1 mm prints. Stability and quality are its top priorities, even when you're printing at high speed. No more frustrating surprises mid-print. The M5's error detection system is like having a watchful eye over your creations. Equipped with an intelligent camera and extra processing power, it calculates a printing plan and ensures your model matches your design flawlessly. Real-time notifications save you time and filament by auto-pausing prints when errors like adhesion issues or extruder jams are detected. If you want to purchase the sizable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.